All right, there are 3 funnels every agency needs. This is funnel number 2. All right, like part number 1, I'm getting this particular funnel from .com Secrets. Awesome book, you should get it. This is the webinar funnel on page 224. All right, funnel number 1 was a squeeze page, a 2-step funnel that builds our list. Funnel number 2 is a workshop. It's not a webinar. Why not a webinar? Because we're not selling digital products. This is not a one and done. This is a monthly subscription, a retainer. Okay, so there is a little bit of difference between what I'm showing you and what's in the book. Now, when I use a workshop funnel, when I do a workshop funnel, I like to do it very simple. I'm a simple guy. A 2-step funnel for me using Zoom is incredibly simple. So funnel step number 1 is a Zoom registration page. They're high converting. You don't have to use a bunch of like landing page software, none of that. Zoom registration page. Then you have your email marketing. Now the email marketing after a Zoom registration page has a really high open rate because it's about something. It's about something that they're going to, hopefully it's a good subject and they have, they're anticipating it. Step 2 is the actual workshop and then the replay sequence. Now, why is this one of the 3 core funnels? People want to make money online. They just don't want to put in the work, or they just don't know what work to put in. This is why a workshop funnel is the second funnel that you must have. So funnel number 1, you build the list. Funnel number 2, if you want to make money online, what you need, and actually what you need to understand, visualize, is what's happening right here. This is the person that gave you their email. You want to make money from that person. Agreed. Well, between where they give you their information and when they give you money, there's a bunch of steps in between. Some of the steps are just simple emails that give value, that build a relationship. Some of the emails are workshops where you get in, okay, there's you, fancy pictures I'm drawing. You get in, you share value, and you help them see and visualize how they can actually get the outcome that they want. And then they might, get another email, whatever the case may be. These are the different steps. If you take them through this customer journey, they will give you money. Now, you can't just email everybody and think all your problems are going to be solved. You need to give a variety of different touch points and a variety of different quality of touch points to really convert people from interested to action takers, or in other words, to money. So if you want to put funnel number 2 into action, comment funnel number 2 around this video, or I'm sure there's a call to action somewhere. Get it, use it, take action, go crush it.